Welcome to Nordic Market News, Monday, October the 24th. This program is brought to you by news agency Direkt in Stockholm, Sweden, on behalf of Infront. We start with the stock market index of the Nordic countries. After about 2 hours of trade, Helsinki 25 is up 0.5%. About the same for Swedish OMXS 30, 0.5%. OSCBX 0.3%. Copenhagen 20 ahead with 0.7%. And the overall Nordic 40 index 0.6%. In Sweden, investment icon Melker Schrling will resign from all board assignments come spring of next year. This announcement comes in a press release from investment company Melker Schrling AB. Melker Schrling is chairman of the board in Melker Schrling AB, Hexpool, Hexagon and AAK. Schrling himself says in the press release, "Due to deteriorating health, I am to leave all my board assignments at the annual general meeting in the spring of 2017. Volvo chairman Carl-Henrik Svanberg has been suggested to replace Melker Schrling in Melker Schrling AB. Third quarter for window manufacturer Inwido does not meet the expectations when it comes to inflow of orders as well as organic turnover. According to SME Direct's survey, Inwido's operating EBITDA was expected to have 215 million Swedish kronor, instead landed at 202 million Swedish kronor. Turnover was 1.45 billion Swedish kronor instead of expected 1.5. Political decisions to reduce the tax reduction ROT is, according to CEO Håkan Jeppsson, one of the factors behind a negative development in Sweden. In Finland, CEO of Aller Media, Pauli Aalto-Setälä, is not surprised to hear about the American telecom company AT&T buying Time Warner. The sector, in which Aalto-Setälä has been part of for many years, is dominated by Apple, Google and Facebook, and the technological companies have been eager to get in the game, opening up their wallets to buy important media players. Time Warner and AT&T will build a new giant which will increase competition within the sector, a positive outcome, according to the Aller Media CEO. He believes the same development will take place in Finland, with large technological companies buying their way into media. In Denmark, the bumpy IPO of payment company Nets in September could have consequences for the entire process of IPOs in the future. This is coming from investment chief at Nordnet, Per Hansen. He believes interest from investors could be reduced, as well as a standard set of lower prices, and he believes owners should be prepared for this new standard. Nets was introduced at a much higher market value than recommended, and since September the stock has dropped 10%. Looking ahead this week, there are plenty of Copenhagen 20 listed companies to report their third quarter. Nordea, Novo Nordisk and Christian Hansen are to mention some. Christian Hansen and Nordea are due on Wednesday, while Friday will be the day of Danske Bank and Novo Nordisk. Finally, in Norway, Norwegian will stop all flights to Las Vegas come spring. It is, however, only a temporary halt and not a decision based upon the interest for the route, says Chief Information Officer Daniel Kirchhoff. Las Vegas will be back as an option with Norwegian in about a year from now, in fall 2017. Las Vegas was always considered a winter destination because of the intense summer heat troubling takeoff and landing slots for Norwegian. That was the headlines for today's program. We will be back again tomorrow with more Nordic news. Thank you for watching.